All right, so if you want to, once you on it, okay, now the next thing for it to start sewing, your leg, you see that my leg is already is on the, is on, what do I call this now? I don't know the name. It's already on the pedal, right? So I will now see, I'll press it a little. See, can you see? So I just press my leg on it. So I'm doing it because, as you can see, that it's not very fast. If I want to speed faster, I'm going to press the pedal. I'm going to press it harder, like not very hard, but then it's going to go down. Can you see? So the fastness, so you see that the fastness depends on how much pressure I insert on my foot, okay, on the, so you see, if I want to reduce it, I will reduce my, you can hear it now that it's a bit it's not that fast again, isn't it? So I'm reducing it by reducing the strength I exert on the, so that is just it, okay? It's not something very difficult. Keep practicing and you see that you'll be able to do it. If I want it faster. All right guys, so this is it. So if you have any question on industrial sewing machine, drop it in the comment section. Let us see how to tackle it together. So question, drop it in the comment section, so let's tackle it together, so you can do it once you put your mind to do it. So see you in my next video. If you're yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel, please subscribe so that other people that are finding it difficult, you know, to learn how to use industrial sewing machine would also get to see this video. The more likes and the more subscription we get, the more other people will also be able to get. Remember that when we help others, we will also get helped. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.